Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am back in Michael's and today we're looking at their Winter Woodland Collection. So you know what that means. Let's go shopping. So this collection we're looking at today is called the Winter Woodlands, and there's a lot of red, a lot of green, and a lot of things to look at. So I'm going to start out by pointing out a few items and then we'll just tour it all. I think they did some great signs with this collection. This one is 30 in sleigh rides. I love the shape on that. Lots of green, and then for 25 they have a round in reindeer sleigh rides. For $30, they have two ceramic crock style luminaries in reindeer sleigh rides and Christmas trees. They also have a gorgeous sled with this collection for $49.99 in the galvanized metal. For $25, they have some beautiful metal and wood snowflakes in the silver and white. For $30, they have a really cute, simple Christmas countdown with metal numbers. Down here for $99.99, they have a massive jumping reindeer on a black stand. For $45, they have a tobacco basket with some greenery and have yourself a Merry Little Christmas sign. And the wreath to go with this collection is gorgeous for $60. Lots of greenery, a little bit of sparkle, and some pine cones. And for $25, they did this really cute round welcome winter sign. And for $40, they have a little reindeer family.
Time for all to settle down, leave their worries all behind, take it slowly and unwind, and bring the peace back to a torn and shattered world. Let us share with all a Merry Christmas. Flight and come true for a holiday for me and you. It's the season for all, for the big and the small, for those who are weary and those who came far. Together, keep the winter outside and follow the star shining bright. It's the time for all to settle down, leave their worries all behind, take it slowly and unwind, and bring the peace back to a torn and shattered world.
can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me. I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance. This year, Santa's coming home to me. There's a rumor spreading all over town, but of course it's not true. They say Santa ain't coming around. Trust me, I'm waiting up for you. Coming down my chimney on Christmas Day will be a sight for eyes to see. This year Santa Claus is coming home to me. Yeah, this year Santa Claus is coming home to me.
So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Michael's to see more Christmas decor. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.